Make sure to wear the proper PPE when changing the Capture 5 filter, and remember to read and follow all labels and the owner's manual. First, turn off the power. Then disconnect the input power and air. Remove the latches from the back door and open the door. Next, open the latches for the filter and remove the filter from the collector. Then remove the spark tray and dispose of the particulate. Place the spark tray back into the unit. Then remove the dustbin and dispose of the particulate. Place the dustbin back into the unit. Place the new filter into the unit and put the latches back on the filter. Close the door and place the latches on the door. To learn more about Miller fume extractors, visit millerwelds.com/fume extraction.